So this is just a quick visual introduction to all the materials we're going to be using throughout this course, just so you can familiarise yourself with them and you know what I'm talking about when I mention them in the lessons. So the first thing we're going to look through is just our pencils. For this course I'm going to be demonstrating with three main pencils, an HB, a 3B and a 7B. So try to buy a good quality brand. I'm going to be demonstrating with the Faber-Castell 9000, but the Staedtler, Mars, Lumograph are really nice pencils, and Derwent makes some really nice pencils as well. So just have a test of a few in the art shop just to try and find a style of pencil that you really like. We're either going to be using a pencil sharpener or a craft knife, and I often use a craft knife to sharpen my pencils, and I'll show you that more detailed a bit later on. I've also got a putty eraser and a plastic eraser, and then some paper towel for rubbing back areas of our drawing. So also a graphite stick, they come in squares or rounds. Just try and get a soft one about equivalent to a 4B, and this will just help us when we do a tonal ground. So I've also got a black frame and some clear acrylic that we're using throughout the course, and just a clip that you can find that will just clip them together so that they make one solid viewfinder that we can work with throughout the lessons. I've also got a couple of pens, which is a permanent marker and an overhead projector marker for working onto the plastic picture plane, and just a plastic ruler and a timer just for timing some of the actual drawings. So we use two standard papers throughout this course. One is computer paper and one is cartridge paper. The computer paper is usually a lot whiter, like brilliant white. The cartridge paper has got a bit more texture to it. Just try to find a nice bright area to work in and you'll be ready to go.